here's a little tutorial on some of the exercises we do in the matrix. You're gonna put your left hand either on top of the chair or on the seat, whatever feels comfortable. We're gonna start with 2 bicep curls. So you're gonna squeeze it at the top and then resist it down slowly using your core. So again, squeeze it at the top, resist it down slowly. After you're done with that, you're gonna take this left knee up to the shoulder and then cross, rock back like you're moving in slow motion. So bring it up and then come back down to your starting position. So it's in, slow, lift it up, cross squeeze, up, take it down. Let's do 3 more. So in, slow, it's up, it's cross, it's up, down. 2 more. In, slow,